at Six Flags Fiesta Texas theme park. It's the all-new Joker's Revenge. Batman's arch-rival the Joker is up to some new tricks. Ride backwards at incredible speeds on his twisting, turning, looping steel roller coaster. Unexpected thrills from the twisted mind of the Joker. It's the only ride of its kind on Earth. And it's only at the new Six Flags Fiesta Texas in San Antonio.
In 1996, a coaster was born in San Antonio, Texas. But this wasn't just any ride, it was the Joker's Revenge. Riders boarded facing backwards, launching into loops and corkscrews with no idea what lay ahead. Manufactured by Vekoma, this Hurricane model was one of the few coasters in the world designed to run in reverse. It was bold. It was bizarre. And it was unforgettable. In 2003, the ride was relocated to Six Flags New Orleans and renamed Jester. Nestled in the Mardi Gras section, it kept its backwards trains, thrilling riders with a disorienting dance through steel and sky. Jester wasn't just a ride, it was a ritual. A celebration of chaos, laughter, and Louisiana spirit. Then came August 2005. Hurricane Katrina submerged the park. Jester stood silent, its trains frozen in time. The laughter stopped. The thrill faded. But Jester wasn't alone. Across the ocean, a mirrored coaster named Comet ran in France, sharing the same layout, the same DNA, but facing forward. Jester remained the rebel. In 2024, demolition began. Jester's steel was dismantled. But its legend lives on, in every scream, every loop, every backwards launch into the unknown. Jester wasn't just a coaster. It was a dare. A dance. A dream. And though the tracks are gone, the thrill remains, in memory, in motion, in the hearts of those who rode it backwards into history.